If you don't know what is break of structure in trading and how to use break of structure in trading, then watch this video till the end because you're going to walk off with clarity on how to use break of structure, how I use break of structure in my trading, and the best way that I've actually done it. Now, this content has gotten me thousands of wins live, pretty much documented everything in 2024 on my YouTube channel. I don't have a course to say, so this is genuinely what has actually worked with me. And now going back to this, again, everything is documented. The first thing that we always focus on, okay, number one thing on the list that I'm gonna have right here is you always need to understand the trend. Trend is your friend, right? Let me just make this bigger actually. Boom. Trend is number one. You want to be you want to know the market structure, and I already actually made a video on it, so I might as well just link it below this one. But coming back into here, you see what where the price just was going down, right? Let's just say like this. We have been following this thing down. Let's go a little bit of on a higher time frame. Look left, boom, you know the structure. And now, what is a break of structure, right? This is very simple. Uh, when the price actually, like, you know how markets move, they move like this, right? In reality, something like this, right? And break of structure is simply when the price breaks below a pullback. So let's say, for simple terms, when the price does this, this is a break of structure, or the price does this, this is the break of structure. If the price does this, is the break of structure, right? Simply meaning that it's breaking through a previous pullback. Now, this is after pretty much documenting 4 years, everything on my YouTube channel, and just I don't have a course to sell you, so pretty much thousands of dollars spent on courses and mentorships. Like here, I'm saving you that money and time. Pretty much a pullback is this right here. Okay, you know how to look at market structure. Like this is number one. You know how to look at trend and market structure. Pretty much. Boom, we done this. This is the break of structure here. This is a break of structure. Although a lot of you are gonna say this is not. This is just moving like this. Look at the pullback rule, right? Boom. When you understand this, this is how you actually look at the market like as a machine, pretty much. And I'm speaking from experience. You're gonna listen to people teaching you because I've been through them, right? I've tested all the strategies. Boom, they're going to teach you. This is just straight line, but they're not looking at this pullback rule. This is like the most important rule out there because you want your inputs in your trading, pretty much inputs meaning trades and confirmations, to be the same, because trading is pretty much a system of inputs and outputs, right? You have your inputs, then you have your outputs. When you put them through a system, this is the S, okay? Then you have your outputs. Pretty much, you want this to be the same, so your outputs are the same, right? This is how you know that your machine works. The outputs meaning profitability. The way to achieve this, you want your inputs to be the same, and for your inputs to be the same, you need to know that pullback rule because you cannot just blindly follow every single trade. Not the same, like different ways, right? So you need to know the pullback rule. And break of structure is just pretty much nothing more than the price doing its thing. For example, then it broke here. Now this is on the higher time frame, it's on the 2 hours, so simply it's like this. This was a break of structure. If I fold up, just look at the left. Now we pretty much fell down like this or so. Okay, we've done something like this. Boom, we broke structure bullish here. Then went a little bit up, played around in here, broke, actually didn't break structure because this is just the wicks. We went a little bit down. Then this is where we broke structure with a full candle. Then boom, went down. This is where we are also breaking structure. The way that you incorporate into this in your trading, the break of structure, simply, like I know a lot of you, like what you're going to do, you just put these lines, right? I used to do this, and just you type in, you have to use the text tool and just type in BOS. Okay, boom, you put this on the chart. Yeah, when you're actually behind the charts and you have actually intermediate, you don't need this. Now at the beginning to know where structures is breaking, yes, but I always advise people to just have the ranges set and just wait like this, right? Supply, boom, more like the knife. We have the confirmation. I'm taking it lower. So simple as that. Break of structure is nothing more of the price just moving and doing its break. Very important to understand what it is. I mean, very simply, it all comes back down to understanding the structure, the real deal. And then you need to understand the pullback rule, and then it actually comes back down to break of structure. So it's not just that easy. Okay, when the price does this, this is break of structure. When the price does shifts like this is change of character, right? It's all the same. They're just breaking structure. Okay, so let me know what is your opinion on this. If you found any value, like the video, and I will see you in the next one.